Jonathan M. General Jonathan M. Wainwright. Jonathan Wainwright took over leadership in the Philippines after General MacArthur was ordered to leave. Despite severe shortage of food, ammunition, and medical supplies, he held out against the Japanese in Bataan and the Corregidor. On May 6, 1942, seeing that continued resistance would cause needless death, he formally surrendered Corregidor and with it, all remaining U.S. and Filipino forces in the archipelago. Captain Jesus A. Villamor. Villamor was a Filipino pilot who courageously flew with just 6 pursuit planes to fight off a formation of 54 Japanese aircraft. Using obsolete planes, his bravery and skill earned him the U.S. Distinguished Service Cross. Sergeant Jose Cavalfin Calugas. On January 16, 1942, the Battle of the Bataan, Sergeant Calugas saw a battery gun position disabled by bombardment and with most of its crew killed or injured. Without orders, he ran across 1,000 yards under enemy fire, gathered volunteers, restored guns, and directed fire against the Japanese, action for which he was awarded the U.S. Congressional Medal of Honor. Congressional Medal of Honor Society. Legacy. The stories of Bataan and Corregidor remind us of the tremendous cost of conflict, the suffering, loss, and courage involved. They serve as symbols of sacrifice and steadfastness, teaching that freedom is not free and that sometimes the bravest thing is to keep fighting even when defeat seems inevitable. This hero embodied values worth persevering, duty, bravery, and the will to stand up for what is right. Their memories urge us to remember so that peace and liberty may be safeguarded in the future.